Hi children, welcome to my tutorial channel. Today our topic is season. Let's start. There are 5 seasons in a year. Summer season, rainy season, autumn season, winter season, spring season. Now, seasonal characteristics. Summer season, Grishma RITU. This season starts with the end of April and lasts till the end of June. Sun shines brightly. In this season, the weather is very hot. We wear cotton clothes. In this season, the days are longest while the nights have the shortest duration. We like to eat cold things like ice cream, cold drinks, fruit juice, etc. We use fans, cooler and AC during summer season to keep us cool. And children like to play in swimming pools. Next, rainy season, VARSHA RITU. This season includes the months of July and August. As the name indicates, rainfall occurs in most of India in this season. The sky is filled with black clouds before it rains, and rainbow can be seen in the sky after the rain stops. It is sometimes called rain season. As compared to the summer season, the days are short and nights are long. Now, things we use during rainy season. Raincoat, umbrella and gumboot. Now, what we see during rainy season? We see frog, earthworm, snail and snake. During rainy season, we even get to see beautiful peacock dancing. Autumn season, SHARAD RITU. The season of autumn comes in the months of September and October. The hot and humid weather starts disappearing and leaves start falling off the trees in this season. So, it is also known as the fall season. The length of the day and night is almost equal in this autumn. The major Hindu festivals that are celebrated in this season. Next, winter season, Shishi or Shet RITU. The winter season in India comes in the months of January and February. It is the coldest season of the year. Now, things we use during winter season. In this season, we wear woolen clothes and use blanket. Next, spring season, VASANT RITU. The spring season in India is a season of 2 months duration, which are March and April. It is a pleasant and beautiful season. The day becomes longer and nights become shorter in this season. The people come out of the blankets and woolen cloths and start wearing light clothes. They are filled with excitement and happiness. The trees shed their leaves. New leaves start appearing. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for next video. Thank you. Bye.